What is fear? Fear is the word we use to describe our emotional reaction to something that seems dangerous. But the word fear is used in another way. It's to name something a person often feels afraid of. People fear things or situations that make them feel unsafe or unsure. And people tend to avoid situations or things they fear. This is a story of how I avoided a situation by being fearful. One of them is flying my drone.
There's Leo. And there's Charm in the back.
It all started when I lost control at a beach. The drone started flying either to the sea or the pool of people. Every time I pressed the home button, it just was not responding. All the things that could go wrong just flashed in my eyes. Eventually, the signal from the remote and drone connected, and it started to land immediately. Because of that experience, ever since then, I've been fearful of flying my drone, and I found it difficult to fly it as often as I could. I would always find an excuse to avoid practice, and because of this, it was just stopping me to excel. Because of this experience, I've been missing out. Every time I watch people on social media with their drones taking beautiful scenes, I feel down because I know that I have the ability to have that skill. And I realized that some way or another, I have to get over being fearful. So how do you get over it? You learn to face it.
Whew. We're nearly there, guys. How do you feel, Renzo? How was your first hike? Was it worth it? Look at this view.
Gather people who have the same goal as you and face the challenge together. As cliche as it sounds, great numbers make you stronger. And I'm sure you've heard 2 heads are better than 1. I've been practicing with them, and every time I do, I feel the fearfulness disappear and I'm starting to gain confidence. This is only the beginning and I already feel happy about it. I want to make this a habit, to be committed, to be consistent, and to be determined. Because one day, when you overcome that challenge, you will accomplish to see the beauty of how God has given you these opportunities to be better, and He'll greet you with a breathtaking view. For He said, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be afraid, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will help you." This isn't just about a drone. This is about me, learning from these experiences and making myself better. My fears have kept me from growing, and I learned that I'm always going to be a work in progress. Always. And it's about the progress, not being perfect. And that progress involves me having more faith. Like I said, this is only the beginning, and I'm already happy about it.